Star Babies at StrawbArie, and today I'm going to be making my room into a fairy lair. Yeah, weird. And decorating my cabin. I got a ton of stuff. I got this crate. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't want to carry it too high. And then I got this one that has actual furniture stuff. So, start. First, I'm gonna work on the cabin probably. So, that sounded like glass. This thing I need to open, but this thing is a plant pot to put in my window if it even stays. I don't know if it will. So we're gonna try it. Let's just try our strength. I think this one fits over there better, so we're gonna use this. If I would have known I would have had to put this together, I would have done it. Oh my gosh, what is happening today? Hopefully I don't have to put this one together too. This one is a fireplace to put in my little cabin. So I guess we're gonna interior decorate first. Look at it. Next thing I got for my little cabin. Sure you guys can see that, right? The fey part, most important part. These are leaf curtains. I'm gonna put them up on my curtains. And then, this thing I might already be able to do. So these are curtain vines. I'm gonna put them over my little doorway. Let's go ahead and try that. Hopefully that stays enough. I didn't want to use anything to keep it there. So it's untwist tie them. I got done with the thing back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Okay. Maybe I should turn the brightness down so you guys can see. Okay. So now, I got another thing. This is a carpet to put in front of my cabin. See how this goes. I got dogs, so God, crunches. Listen to me walk. What have I done? There's not even enough room for this thing in here. Then I got this statue. And we're just gonna say it's of a Arista to put on the ground to make it more garden-y. Maybe one day I'll get a bird bath put it in it. I got a rug. With mushrooms. And I don't know if I should set it in front of my cabin or if I should put it in front of the mirror. It doesn't say welcome, but if it said welcome, I put it in front of the mirror, so it's like a fairy circle, and then it's like the, entrance to the room. I think I'm just gonna put it in front of my cabin. Now I got this thing I used to have when I was little. I found this at a thrift store. It's a butterfly. Oh. what you're supposed to do is tap the jar and it moves. And I'm gonna put it in the cabin as well. So it looks like I have a little butterfly collection. And let me show you what all I got. I got mushrooms and I got moss. I'm gonna put it around the mirror. Let me show you guys my mirror, but I'll put it around the mirror and it's going to be like a fairy circle kind of thing, but it's going to be around the mirror. It's gonna be a square. Let's just pretend this is Minecraft, okay? Okay. I thought I'd show you guys my mirror first. My phone's charging, but look at the background. Look at the background. Is that, mushrooms? Aria's over there somewhere on a chair. We're gonna put these mushrooms on it. I'm gonna show you guys my mirror first. It's a goblin trove, basically. So you know how they collect gold? I wear gold jewelry. It's my gold jewelry. And my hair clips, because you know I need them. And you close it. And you lock up the gold. I did it, but the mushrooms are gonna have to wait because I ran out of hot glue sticks. So we clean this mess up and yeah, we'll do the mushroom part tomorrow, I guess. Oh my gosh, Nikki, to you. Whoop. You notice I like a theme here. Ready? Ready? Oof.
Yeah, totally. He's like my brother.
Oh, well, in that case, hi. I'm Larry.